When you're feeling alright, everything is uptight. Try to sing a song that goes ding ding dong. There will be no sorrow when you sing tomorrow, and you walk along with your ding ding dong, ding a dong every hour. When you pick a flower, even when your lover is gone gone gone, ding a dong, listen to it. Maybe it's a big hit. Even when your lover is gone gone gone, sing ding ding dong. When you're feeling alright, everything is uptight. Listen to the song that goes ding ding dong, and the world looks sunny. Everyone is funny when you sing a song that goes ding ding dong, ding a dong every hour. When you pick a flower, even when your lover is gone gone gone, ding a dong, listen to it. Maybe it's a big hit. Even when your lover is gone gone gone, sing ding ding dong.
When I'm alone in my room, sometimes I stare at the wall, and in the back of my mind, I hear my conscience call, telling me I need a girl who's as sweet as a dove. For the first time in my life, I see I need love. There I was, giggling about the games that I have played with many ones, and I'm not saying no names. Then the thought occurred, teardrops make my eyes blur, as I said to myself, look what you've done to her. I can feel it this time, I cannot explain how it feels. All I know is that I'll never dish another raw deal, play and make believe, pretending that I'm true. Hold it in my lap as I say that I love you. Saying no more, kissing you on the ear, whispering I love you and I'll always be here. Although I often reminisce, I can't believe that I found a desire for true love floating around inside my soul, because my soul is cold. One half of me deserves to be this way till I'm old, but the other half needs affection and joy, and the love that is created by a girl and a boy. I need love. I need love.
Jungle. It was great, you know what I mean? I opened my eyes and it wasn't green, it's a dream. What I'm talking about, from left to the right, and that's all without pain, no gain, another hit, no rain. And by the way, the shame it wouldn't be the same. I play no games, I don't tell no lies. I mean a deep, deep jungle, I can see it in your eyes. Jungle.
I've got this feeling, somebody dance with me, somebody dance with me. I've got this feeling, somebody dance with me, somebody dance with
I'm back again on the highest stage. Listen to my party beat and get enraged, 'cause you know when I flow and I show you so which way in your case. We're getting rough. I'm not gonna stop until you get enough. Cause you groove back and forth and back. Then you see it yourself, it's like a heart attack. My rhymes, combination, infiltration, situation all over the nation. Like round and round, upside down, living all life with your feet on the ground. Then put your hands up in the air, wave like you just don't care. And if you're ready to rock, then rock with me. Somebody say, oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Everybody take a chance, waving up your hands. Let's celebrate. Everybody take a chance, waving up your hands. Let's celebrate. Take control of your mind, your body and your soul. Take control of your mind, your body and your soul.
You dig, you shake, you break, I'm not fake. You cool the way you move, no more mistake. Can't stand still, then you got to move. Feel the bassline, feel the groove. The beat, the bass, the lyrics are fine. Get on the floor, you've got no time. Party people, I'll give you a chance. Wave up your hands and feel in trance.
Everybody take a chance, waving up your hands. Can you feel the strength? Everybody take a chance, waving up your hands. Can you feel the strength? Take control of your mind, your body and your soul. Take control of your mind, your body and your soul.
Can you see now what I'm saying? The beat is loud and I'm playing. Playing with your life, playing with your soul. You on stage and on the mic and roll, so let the rhythm take you on the floor. With the bass and the drum that you never heard before. Open your mind, cause talking about